on, please wait.
I'm about to turn this thing on. You ready?
I'm at the front door.
You have to, no, don't go in, don't go in. It's a trap there. It's a trap there. Oh, this guy's gun. This guy's gun. He's inside room. He's inside room. He's inside room.
I'm coming.
I'm turning on. I'm turning on.
Me too. Oh god.
Oh! I can't chop him. I can't chop him. I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. What? What?
Behind you.
What? Oh Jesus! You're right. You're right. You're right. I killed him. Oh! I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. I killed him too. I killed him too. I killed him. Kill him. I'm pulling out the repeater. I'm pulling out the repeater.
I'm unconscious outside. There's another guy with the rack.
I'm pulling out the repeater.
Jesus,
What just happened? I'm in the police station. Oh god! Oh Jesus!
I mean, I'm sorry my luck sucks. But your luck is just amazing.
This zombie's Rocky. This zombie's Rocky. Oh, Steve, help, Steve.
I spawned this
Oh,
place twice.
He's sucking my dick. He's sucking my dick. Oh, I'm a girl. It doesn't work that way.
What?
Oh,
Look at my V.
but I have Steve. I can shoot you right now. No one will care.
Can I look it up?
Man. Piss weight.
Oh god, I did it. Spawn.
Come on, piss weight.
The door is open.
I spawned in.
I don't see. Okay, I see. What? I'm kidding. I spawned in.
Nothing's even loading yet. Big player. Okay, I'm here. Now what?
Hey,
Oh,
walking.
you're
Hey,
good,
walking.
you're good.
Shh. Wait. Get the fuck down.
Sorry.
Are you ready, Steve? You ready for this?
No.
Yes, you are.
Fuck.
Oh, we're dead. We're so dead. We're so dead.
I
We're so dead.
hear a gun. I mean, I see a gun.
There's a gun.
I hear a gun. I mean, I see a gun.
The door is open. The front door is open.
Oh god.
I'm about to run up the stairs.
Hey, can I close the door?
Running up the stairs, mate. Oh, who's this? Who's this?
Well, not me.
Guy's dead. He's dead. I can't get up. I can't get. Yes, do it. Please. Do
I'm gonna
it.
close the front door.
Do it, man. Jesus.
Close.
What? I can't get up the stairs.
I hear footsteps.
Oh, me.
Oh, this gun has gun. I mean, this gun has ammo.
Help me. You need to go up the stairs. Help
What's
me.
wrong with you?
Help me get up the stairs. I can't get up the
Take
stairs.
the ammo out of this gun.
Yes.
Jess?
Yes. Hey, walking outside. Walking outside.
What?
Walking
Let's
outside.
go back.
Walking. Oh, did you open the door?
Hey,
Did you open the door?
hey,
Did you open the door?
no.
Did you open?
No, hey.
Oh, we're dead. You're dead. You dead? Where'd he come from? Where'd he come from?
Front door. Sit there. Just sit there. If he looks at my body, he's dead.
Hey buddy, we have people upstairs and downstairs. You wanna come out with your gun and down?
I got one. Put on repeater. No, don't say that.
Died instantly. I knew that. I knew it was gonna happen. I needed a chance to aim.
One click.
That guy had an auger.
Come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up. We'll give you one chance. Come out with your
I've been churning.
Are you sure?
hands up. Surprise?
No, I wanna log out. I mean, I wanna leave.
Put your hands up. Put your fucking hands up.
You say that and I'm gonna die. You say that I'm gonna die.
We have full fucking
You didn't talk to me First thing just shot my ass.
I killed one.
Didn't know I was talking to you.
Tyler, if you're gonna do that,
The hell?
or Steve, one of you.
Steve.
What?
Is he about to rush me?
Just watch the door. Just watch the door.
The guy ran.
You ran.
Hit him on. Oh, I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. Have a naked. Have a naked. Have a naked. Have a naked. Have a naked.
I killed myself.
M4. M4. Listen, M4.
Danger.
Oh no. No, I'm unconscious. No. No. They got me through the window. No. I killed one. No. Dang it. I knew about that stupid window. I knew about that stupid ass window.